So you don't gotta stretch it. It's too much work. And this really is not a how-to video. I can already tell this section may be neater because I made them tighter. But I don't care. Ooh. Hey YouTube, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing y'all how I do my hair. Parts will be missing because of my storage, which I apologize about that, but at least I did the most important parts. Okay, thank you for watching and just stay tuned. Okay, my hair is straight right now. So, what's the whole reason me saying that? Okay, I'm starting off on straight hair because I want my hair to be sleek and just easy to work with. So, but you don't have to do this, but you know. And I also went ahead and parted my hair because I'm doing, of course, like braids in the front, and then the rest gonna be sleek up. But here's my bag of braiding hair. You don't need all this. Okay, I'm using 1B hair. Of course, it's like black. From this brand, Outre Expressions. You're not even going to use the whole one of these. You don't have to do that. I'm also going to be using these. They sell these at the beauty supply store, but I got this from Walmart. I guarantee if you get this from Walmart, it's going to be way cheaper. Just go to the you know, people make their own clothes, the design in place, the threading. Go in this section of Walmart and you will find these. The beauty supply store probably gonna charge you more than $10, and this was $10 at Walmart for me. But that's used to separate the hair. I also like to mention that I got this brand because it's pre-stretched hair, so you don't gotta stretch it. It's too much work. And what else I want to say? You can use your own hair if you want to for the front part, but I'm not gonna do that because when I braid my own hair, it does not last at all. So when I add hair, like more thicker hair, your braids will probably last longer. So yeah. This really is not a how-to video. This is kind of like my first time doing something like this. But I got my hair prepared. And if needed, I will add more to it. So yeah. My hair is not perfectly straight. Because my hair likes to curl up so fast. I don't know why. I'm not going to get no heat damage. So I'm not going to keep on flat ironing my hair. I'm going to start off with a small section. Okay. Start with my little bit of hair at the very edge. Oh, damn. It's not perfect, but this. We're through with the middle part. The section is separated finally. I am going to make a bigger part. touchdown. We need some touchdown. Okay, I'm gonna attempt the ghetto way to do a stitch braid. Oh, this is taking long. I'm gonna leave the front section alone, and the back section, the last section back here. Okay, I'm gonna do the other side off camera. I can already tell this section may be neater because I made them tighter. But I don't care. Ooh. This braid look atrocious, but I don't care. If you're a neater braider, do your thing, girl. I think I'm gonna redo this, but I'm gonna do it off camera, but not right now. I'm gonna get a tiny section again. Okay, what I did to this side, I'm gonna do to the other. Okay, now that's done. I'm gonna make a section and put them in burr bands, but it's not for braiding. So yeah, it's gonna be interesting. Oh, did y'all notice I cut my hair? I love it. I'm gonna make a bigger section. Of course, make it diagonal for the ponytail purpose. I did one section. I'm gonna do another rubber band. Now these have to be neat, so I'm using touchdown, a little bit of that. I'm gonna section off this side. I don't know why people say they be wanting my hair. My hair gives you hell. You know how, like, not to offend any white people, but their hair, it don't stay. Mine doesn't stay. Like if my hair was coarser, braids can stay in my hair. It wouldn't slip out. You know, it'll stay neat. And I'm a wild sleeper, so that's what I needed. Oh, this part is not straight. Finally. Okay, I'm gonna do this other side. I have to braid this, you know, up there, and then I'm gonna show you the next step. Okay, I'm doing it off camera, and I'm gonna show you the next step. Okay. Okay. It's gonna look like something. So now we're gonna get this in a ponytail. First, I'm gonna be using my stick. Yeah, I'm gonna put everything in the description box below. But I'm gonna comb my hair up. Okay, I'm gonna leave like a little few baby hairs in the back, like very minor. I'm gonna get a little bit of touch down. But I don't know, you can see it. I'm gonna spread it on my hands and just go at it. I'm getting some pumpkin spray. You don't want to spray too much at the time because your hair will curl back up if you don't have a perm like me. Okay, I'm gonna use my blow dryer. I'm gonna just put some on my fingers, on my hands, and rub it in. I'm gonna keep doing it until I feel like my hair is sleek. Okay, but now I'm about to put my hair in a ponytail because I feel like it's sleek, and I left out some baby hairs. So yeah. Okay, for some reason I was having technical difficulties. But anyways, I braided my hair and I twisted it up like as if it's like a bantu knot, but I'm trying to keep it as skinny and slender, at least to this point, as possible, because it'll be important, you know. You don't want that part to be humpy when you get to wrapping your hair around. But this is the bundles that I'm using. You can easily get this at the beauty supply store. I paid just $12 for this. My method of doing this, I'm going to be sewing it at the very tip, and I'm gonna make my way down until I can't no more. So yes, this hair does get raggedy kind of fast, so it is best to keep it separate and have some mousse on hand. But what I'm gonna do is double the wells. Is already doubled right now, and I'm gonna double it again. Like that, like so. And you want to stick your needle through it, through all four, because it's gonna look like 4 wefts that you're going through. I'm gonna go ahead and make my little knots so they'll be stuck together. Okay, we're just gonna start at the very tip. Ouch. Okay, so boom. And you want to keep wrapping. Ooh. This is heavy. Okay, I think y'all get the concept. But when I get down here, I'm gonna show y'all what I'm gonna do. Okay, I've sewn it literally down to where it stopped at. So that was good. You wanna get a piece of your hair out. The usual method. And get a good piece. A piece you know that's gonna last. And then go ahead and put your flat irons on. And while that's heating up, you can go ahead and detangle your hair, tame it with some mousse, or you can use moisturizer. Just anything that can calm down the hair, the way it looks. Cause this is a lot. See, I only use 1 bundle. That's why I only use 1 bundle. It is. I'm gonna wet up my hair. I'm gonna use this moisturizer or curl definer. Okay, so my camera keeps cutting off for some reason, so I'm gonna hurry up and try to do this. I'm putting mousse mostly on the ends because it gets raggedy at the ends. Oh, and I clipped this away. And you could scrunch it up a little bit, so get some kind of wave back to it. I don't know, you know. This piece, I'm about to flat iron it. So, my camera cut off again, but what I did, I had flat ironed this part and did the twisty around. Really the main part of this video I want to show y'all was the front part as it's done. And I also curled this, and I curled my edges in the back. So yeah, and I moussed this up and everything, and now it's done. I hope this was very like detailed for y'all, cause I'm mad. My storage ran out last minute. Hopefully I can edit this video in time, cause I have the highest gigabyte. I mean, 2 TB. I have the highest storage plan right now, so I don't know why it's acting up, but I'm about to fix it. So yeah, thank y'all for watching my video, and come back for more.